How to fix Facebook Messenger notification. Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin, open the Messenger app on your phone. Then head to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. When the menu appears, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Notification and Sound option. Then tap on it. Here you will find a switch to manage your notification. Make sure to toggle it on so Messenger can send you alerts. Next, it's important to check your phone settings to make sure everything is properly set. Close the Messenger app and go back to your home screen. Now open the Setting app on your device. Scroll and select the app option to continue. After that, find and tap on Manage app. Now use the search bar to type in Messenger. Then select it from the list. Furthermore, click on Notification to view its notification settings. Lastly, turn on the switch next to Show Notification. Once you have enabled notification both inside the Messenger and in your device setting, you will start receiving alerts from Facebook Messenger without any issue. That's all. I hope this video helped.